Day of lead code SQL grind. Let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and open up Safari, go to lead code, and find ourselves an easy SQL problem. It takes forever. So let's find ourselves a database problem. Randomize. And find ourselves an easy SQL problem. These are top. Where am I on this list? I'm on a medium. The next easy one is going to be right here. Okay, employee with missing information. Let's see. Column, type, employee ID, write a solution to report the ID of all employee with missing information. The information of an employee is missing if the name is missing or the salary is missing. Return the result of table ordered by the employee ID in ascending order. So immediately it's ordered by employee EID, and we're going to grab this in ascending order. That is by default, so we're going to select employee ID, and we're going to select the name. Wait, what? Oh, that's all. Okay, where this is way too easy. Where name is no. Oh wait, we have two tables here. Employee from table from employee. Employees join join. Oh wait, how do I do a full outer join? Join. Yeah, that should be a normal join. Should be a full outer join, right? Salary. Join salary. Salaries. What? Okay. What? S. Where S dot salary is no, or E dot salary, E dot name is no. And we're going to capitalize this just for consistency's sake here. Is no or is no. Run it. And that should just work. Employee, oh shoot, okay. E dot employee ID. Oh, we got none. What? Oh, we never specified a join. Okay. Oh, silly me. On the employee ID E dot employee ID equal to S dot employee ID. And that should work. Unknown column S dot employee ID. S dot employee ID. Salary employee ID. Join salaries. Employee ID. That's spelled wrong. Okay, let's go ahead and look at this before we run it. Okay, so we got output 4 and 5. 4 and 5 is the employee that have name. Outer join. Hang on, let's see. SQL, MySQL, outer join. Full outer join in SQL. How do I do that? What? Is there no full outer join in SQL in MySQL? Okay, let's try Postgres. Because Postgres will have it. Oh shit. Give me all this stuff. Give me Postgres. Yeah, full outer join. Run. Line 1. Oh. Yep, that's not where you put a comment. Submit. It might complain about this actually. Item might. 2 and no. Employee ID is 1. Where S that employee ID is 1. And how is it no? Employee ID of no. How does that happen? Because we are joining 2, 4, 2. E. Wow, this is actually pretty hard. Ambiguity. S dot employee ID. As table 2 will join with table here is no as employee ID. As employee ID. Employee ID. Run it. Full outer join. Order by E dot employee ID. Yeah, that's a good point. How do I get through? Okay. Yeah, it's going to end up on a different table. So 2 and 1. So I have what I'm looking for, but it's just on a different table. I don't want to do a subquery here, do I? What if I just do a subquery and do either employee ID? Okay, let's just do a subquery here. Select employee ID. Select everything from employee SE. At D, full outer join salary on S. Where full outer join S and without the condition. So what that's gonna give me? No, because it's still gonna be no. Because we doesn't have a number employee E dot employee ID of number unless we do in union. Then that's gonna end up. Okay, so why don't we do select star from employee? Okay, why don't we do a select star from just select employee ID from the employee table union. Select employee. Select employee ID from salaries where salary where salary is no, and where employee name is no. Okay, that should give me all the employee ID. Okay. What the hell? So that doesn't work. Okay. My name is null. The output is nothing. Well, select everything from employee. Well, yeah, it's gonna have a name. Left join. Full outer join. Join, full outer join. And salary. On salary dot employee ID equal to salaries employee ID. Alright, let's see that worked. Select e.employee ID. Select s.employee ID. And then e.employee as e. And this is as s, and this is e. Boom. And I just copied the exact same thing. E, oh sorry, run it. That's E. And 2 and 1. Okay. So now we can just put this all inside of a subquery. Select employee ID from, and this is as a subquery. Order by employee ID. Yay, that worked. What is the leading solution? With missing salary missing as from employee, where employee ID not in salary, select employee ID from salary, and then select employee ID from missing salary, where employee ID not in, oh my god, not in, where employee ID not in select. So that's genius. Let me do that. So let me break down what he does. He's breaking it down into a function and into a with function. So this is a this is not persistent. So this is a temporary function. So what's missing salary? Salary miss. Grab everything from the employee ID where the employee ID is not in. Where the employee ID, if it's not inside of a salary, that means the entry is null. So we don't have to check for null there. That's genius. Let me do that. So the first thing he did is he created a new function and he called salary miss. Remiss, right? And salary miss, oh god, I forgot the syntax. As, and this is a function that he makes. So he's gonna select all the employee ID from the employee table, from where employee ID is not in the in clause. We'll return the list of item, right? We'll return a list of item of a subquery and select not in with salary underscore ID. So that's the first part. Now we print out, select employee ID from salary miss. We should get all the employee name, all the employee ID with missing salary. So in this case, salaries ID. Select employee ID from salaries. So this will return all the employee with missing salary, which is 2. So employee number 2 have a name, but employee number 2 is not in salary. So if it's in this, then return it. If it's not in this, then don't return it. That's pretty smart. So now he grabbed all the missing salary, all the missing name. So name miss, name underscore miss as this subquery at this function. Select employee ID from salary, where employee ID not in, select not in, where your employee, get all the employee ID where it's not in. If it's not in, if your employee is not inside of the name table, then return that, where employee ID from employee. And then he union it by what it's called, select employee ID from missing salary, missing name underscore miss, order by employee ID. That's pretty smart. So how can I make this more efficient? Now, if I omit the union clause, it's going to be the same thing. Why is this so much slower? What really frustrates me is I don't fully understand how this works under the hood. So that's why. That's what really frustrates me. My class that I'm taking this spring will explain this a lot further. But for now, I'm just gonna get used to the syntax and stuff, practicing that. Anyways, goodbye. I'll get started with the lead code session now.